What HR analytics case studies show big cost savings? Imagine saving millions just by looking at the right data. That's what some companies have achieved using HR analytics to make smarter workforce decisions. Let's explore how they did it and what results they saw. One company faced a big problem with employees leaving too often. They used predictive analytics to analyze hundreds of employee traits and behaviors. This helped them spot who was most likely to quit. They then took action by offering targeted support and training to those employees. Over 2 years, they cut their global employee turnover by 4%. This saved millions in recruitment and onboarding costs. Plus, employee satisfaction went up because workers felt more supported and valued. Another example is a large retail chain that wanted to improve store performance. They used workforce analytics to study turnover, absenteeism, and sales data across many locations. By identifying patterns, they adjusted staffing levels and improved supervisor training. This led to better resource use, higher sales, and lower costs from employee turnover and absenteeism. They also shared best practices from high-performing stores, creating a more positive environment for staff. A European shipping company faced high absenteeism among security officers. They used basic HR data analysis, including focus groups and trend tracking. They found that poor role clarity and job design caused many absences. By redesigning roles to clarify responsibilities and boost teamwork, absenteeism dropped by 6%. They also saved hundreds of thousands of euros on contractor costs. Morale and teamwork improved, showing how simple data-driven changes can have a big impact. Another case involved a company that used predictive analytics to identify early signs of employee departure. By acting on these signs, they reduced turnover costs by up to 30%. This meant less money spent on recruiting new staff and more stable teams. It also kept morale high and maintained productivity levels. These examples show how HR analytics can lead to big savings. By making workforce decisions based on data, companies can reduce turnover, optimize staffing, and cut absenteeism. When HR teams use analytics to support employees with better job design and targeted engagement, they create a workplace where people want to stay and do well. All of this adds up to a healthier, more productive work environment and significant financial benefits for the organization.